SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to automatically delete text messages on iPhone 14. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you find that you're often manually deleting text messages because you simply have too many, then you can adjust the setting on your iPhone to have the device delete those text messages for you. You can do this by opening the Settings app. You can then scroll down and choose the Messages option, and then you just need to scroll down again and find the Keep Messages option under Message History, and then you can select either 30 days or 1 year, and then you can choose Delete because your iPhone is going to automatically delete any messages that are outside of that range.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.